Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at a 1-bedroom, 1-bath manufactured home at lot K-10 in Carteret Mobile Park. Carteret Mobile Park is a land lease community based in Carteret, New Jersey. So this house is still in development. We have to do the skirting on the outside and put the steps in. So you'll see a couple boxes around the house. That's the material that we're still using to get everything ready. Here is the kitchen. This is all new Whirlpool appliances. It's your refrigerator there. You've got this really nice farm sink there. Tons of cabinetry space, microwave, oven, stove combination. Here we'll walk to the bathroom. For that, right here you have your furnace. That's responsible for the central air conditioning and forced hot air in this house. This is your shower. It's one-piece fiberglass and has 2 seats in there. We still have to put the sliding glass doors on there. Here is your sink, and you've got a medicine cabinet right here. Throughout the house, we have these premium black hardware, and the cabinets in this house also have a slow closing mechanism, which is what you saw there, so nothing slams if you close it. That's your back door right there. Right here is where you can place your stackable washer and dryer. And this is your bedroom. You can see on the ground there's still some parts to be put in, and your sliding glass doors there. Here is the closet. This runs the length of the wall. And that's your data plate right there, which has all the information about the house. You have a wire rack that comes pre-installed. Behind this door right here, you have your your water heater, which is responsible for the hot water in this house. It's a 40-gallon tank. And you also have a cable jack in this room. I believe there is also one in the living room as well. Right behind the door here, you have your electrical panel. This is 100 amps, just like any regular house, and everything is already labeled in there for you. Just before we're done, we'll take a look at the furnace. And I can show you why I really love these AirQuest furnace that we put in, because you can change the filter really easy. You just pop that down, slide out the filter, and slide the new one in. To catch updates about this house, please subscribe to this channel. If you're looking to find information about other houses, please go to www.myhomeincarteret.com. There you can fill out the pre-qualifying questions, which will get you started on the path to owning your dream home. Thank you.
This house was built by Dolan Homes. Dolan Homes has been building homes in New Jersey in our 3 communities since 1954. These are Robert Dolan here is the managing partner, and you also have Xander Dolan and Patrick and myself. It's a small family business. We build manufactured homes in our 3 mobile home communities. So it's Carteret Mobile Park, Edison Mobile Estates, and Harbor Crossings. We have a fabulous crew. They've been with us a very long time, and they put these houses together very quickly. Conception and Raul are the main crew. Here's Conception, here's Raul. We're 4 generations. The first generation has now passed, and then Robert and myself are the 2nd generation, and then our nephew and our son are the 3rd generation, and then our grandson and grandnephew are our 4th generation. We have lots of advantages to owning your own house in Carteret, New Jersey. Carteret Mobile Park is located right near the turnpike, and on the other side is Route 9 and Route 1. We're very conveniently located. You could be in Manhattan in 25 minutes. You could take the train from Rahway into New York City. We're a land lease community, so we provide that in emails when people contact us and answer our pre-qualifying questions. So this is our address, 1501 Roosevelt Avenue, Carteret, New Jersey, and this is our the original farmhouse in the front of the old farm, which was converted into a mobile home park. Our entrance is on Blair Road. We see everyone by appointment only. So once you make an appointment, you'll follow the signs to reach the office. You come in on this side street. This is our maintenance building, not our office. And I have signs on it to let people know. And there's little banners on the light poles to tell people how to get to the office. There's plenty of signs to show the way. This is the back part of the maintenance building, and I have a little sign there that shows that this is not the office, this is the maintenance building. So we have beautiful homes. Here's a whole series of them. It's very quiet, it's very safe. We're very proud of the beautiful homes that we build. Here's a gorgeous house, just a 1-bedroom. Here's another house. I believe that's also 1-bedroom. This one's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. This is a beautiful flowers in some of the tenants' homes. It just looks so pretty. Everyone takes care of their places, and it's just a delight to be here, and all the residents love it. We're really honored to be a part of making the American dream of home ownership a possibility. This was a beautiful story where this gentleman bought this house and found the American flag in the shed, and it was a very moving moment for all of us because he had just migrated from Cuba. So we get a lot of immigrants coming to us as their first home ownership, and it's such a pleasure to help them. Or downsizing or upsizing. We have all sorts of people in our community. So come join us, myhomeincarteret.com.